This video will show you how to submit to a Turnitin enabled forum and how to view your instructor's feedback. Navigate to your course page and click on your forum assignment. Click Reply. On this page you can see the name of the assignment, the due date, and the directions. You can click here to see the rubric if one has been attached to this assignment. If you click on the rubric icon, you will see the rubric for the assignment. The criterion are listed on the left, and the scale is listed across the top. Click Close to exit. Type in your post, add an attachment if needed, and then post to forum. You have 30 minutes to edit if you want to make changes. Your Originality report score will appear at the bottom of the page. It will take several minutes to generate. Click on the report score icon to open Feedback Studio in a new window. Click on the layer icon to see the layers that are available to you, the Originality report and the E-Rater report. You will not be able to see the grading layer until after the feedback release date. To view only the Originality report, unclick the E-Rater layer. Click on the Originality report score to see the major matches. The sentences and phrases that are highlighted in the paper represent potential plagiarism matches that need to be addressed. If a sentence or phrase is not highlighted, those have been well paraphrased or represent original ideas. Your professor may set a threshold for the Originality report score, which can range from 0 to 100. A 0 score represents no matches. In this case, the score is 11, which means that 11% of this paper matches to existing content and needs to be checked for paraphrasing and citation issues. This percent score is based on the total word count of the paper. Go back to the layer icon and unclick the similarity layer to view the E-Rater layer only. Click on the E-Rater icon to see the grammar and spelling recommendations. For more information, click on the squares. When you click on the squares, a brief explanation is offered. To get a more in-depth explanation, click View Handbook. The expanded handbook explanation will open in a new window. If your instructor has allowed you to view your Originality report and grammar and spelling suggestions and edit the forum, you will follow the same process for submitting the revised reply. You will receive a report immediately for the first 3 resubmissions, but on the 4th resubmission there is a 24-hour delay in generating the report. You can access your feedback and see your grade through the assignment. On this page you can see the grade you received. Click the pencil icon to open Feedback Studio in a new window. Click on the Layers icon, then unclick the Similarity and E-Rater layers to focus just on feedback. Click on the individual feedback icon for more information. Click on the Quick Mark icon to see your general comments and to view the rubric. When you click on the rubric, it will show you the feedback that was associated with each criterion and the scale you earned for each criterion. If you have submitted more than once, you may need to find out which is the latest version of the paper. Click on the information icon for this. It will tell you the submission date and time. You may need to download the grading report, the Originality report, and/or the E-Rater report. To do this, click on the download icon. Then click Current View. If the similarity layer is the only layer selected, then the report will only contain the similarity information, including the overall match score, a list of the major matches, and any exclusions. If the grading layer is the only layer selected, then the report will only contain the grading information including rubrics, feedback, and overall comments. If the E-Rater layer is the only layer selected, then the report will only contain grammar and spelling suggestions. If all layers are selected, then all the information will be included. To view a text-only version of the report, click on Text-Only Report. Click Document Viewer to return to the Document Viewer screen.